Hey everybody, Ray here at Ray Auto Group, and I'm at Save a Pet here in Grays Lake. We're really excited to announce that we actually have a pet adoption event going on in partnership with Save a Pet going on here at our dealership on May 20th, Saturday. We've got a lot going on. We've got food trucks. We're gonna have cats, dogs. It's going to be amazing.
We are super excited about this event and very honored that Ray chose us to partner with us and have this huge adoption event. We're going to be selling Save a Pet merchandise. We have these cute little stickers. We have mugs. We have so many animals that you can look at. It's going to be a great event, so we hope that you come out.
We're also going to have 95 Will Rock there as well, DJing for a nice event atmosphere. We also have our partners at Jeeps on the Run that are going to be there for the Topless event rally as well. We'll see you in Fox Lake.